Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I have an unboxing for a boy 10 to 14. First off, I wanted to show you when I did my On the Farm theme, the Lamb Sharpener 1. So I just wanted to show you it's right in there, and I appreciate you guys taking the time to vote. Alright, so like I said before, this is for a boy 10 to 14, and I think this is my favorite 10 to 14 boy box that I've done this year. This box is special because I sort of packed this virtually with Karina Fennick. She packed OCC shoeboxes on YouTube last year. She lives in Australia, and I know that in Australia things have been a little bit rough lately with everything with the mandates and COVID and lockdowns. So we got to talking, and I asked her if she wanted to help me build an Outback themed Australian shoebox. And I know a lot of us know Fiona. She's a sweet viewer. She also lives in Australia, so I hope she likes this box as well. And Fiona has sent me pictures of her shoeboxes before, and they're wonderful shoeboxes. And I know that she likes to refer to them as treasure chests, which I think is a great term to use for these shoeboxes. So this is this boy's treasure chest, and it's in an Australian Outback theme. So I hope any Australian viewers like this shoebox. So Karina asked that I make it the colors of the Australian flag, which are red, white, and blue, and also make some orange in there because of the Outback, as well as some neutral colored clothes. So here at the top, I gave him this size 10-12 tank. Now I wanted this to be a little bit more snug fitted on him because if it does go to a younger child, he has a shirt down here that's large, so he could wear it with this tank underneath that shirt if he was smaller. And right at the top here is his wow item. This is a boomerang. Now I know that the wooden ones, Karina told me those are used for hunting, but this one is for fun. So it's a very nice quality boomerang with picture instructions on the back. I ordered this from Amazon, and it was a little deceiving. I thought I was getting 3 of these for $14.99 because it showed 3, but you only get 1. So I learned my lesson, but I do like this, and this is definitely his wow item, a boomerang. Karina also mentioned that she wanted me to put a hat in because in the Outback it gets very hot and you need your head protected. So I purchased this sun hat at Dollarama. I think it was $2 or $3. It might have been 3, but it's very nice quality, and it fits my head. I tested it out. It looks a little small, but it fits my head. She also wanted him to have a water bottle, and this one I found at Dollarama for $2, and I'm going to take the packaging out, but I wanted to show you. This was normally $5.99. It's a nice quality water bottle, but I got it for $2. And it's in that blue. Nice size. He has a lunch sack that is BPA free and insulated. There is a mask inside. And then he has a couple of these paper refills for a folder that he has in his box. And one of the things I forgot to say, I love giving these 5-liter boxes to the older kids because if they needed to take their school supplies and books to school, they could easily put them in here and just kind of hold it like around their arm and walk to school with it. It's very durable. So that's another reason why I like to give these to the older kids. They could literally carry this like a book with their books inside of it. All right, and then he has a soap saver. Now there is a picture, a skateboard sticker of a Jeep. And real quick, I'll show you. That's the reason why I gave him that sticker, is because he has 2 Jeeps to play with. I thought these looked like they would fit the Outback. Inside his soap saver, there's Band-Aids, some alcohol pads. He has a nice size eraser. There's some paper clips in here, more alcohol pads, and Band-Aids at the bottom. right, and then his special item, his keepsake item, I gave him a good quality, it's called a pea whistle. This is like something that you would wear in the outback or in the wilderness if you were to get lost. It's bright orange, goes with that orange color for the outback, and I think it'll be nice with his shirt that he has at the bottom. Now his stuffy is one of my favorite stuffies. Karina mentioned she has a friend whose daughter's favorite stuffy is her platypus. Her friend's daughter carries it around everywhere she goes, so she wanted me to get a platypus stuffy for this box, and that's what I did. I ordered this from Amazon, and I think it was just $5.99, but it is so soft, and I'm so glad that I would have never put this in her box. I was going to try to get a koala, but I was happy she suggested the platypus. And then he has his sharpener. There is skateboard stickers in here, quite a few, and then some eraser caps. He has his blue tote bag. He has a chopstick in here, as well as some picture instructions that I have just been printing off WikiHow. I think I've been printing these off for about 2 years, so you can just get them off of there if you would like to. And then he has a facial scrubby in there. He has a flashlight that I got at Walmart. I think this was just $1.97, but it's very bright. And he has extra batteries and a screwdriver. I gave him 2 extra batteries. Now this is the binder that goes with his extra paper that was in his lunch sack. Has that blue, orange, and white. Karina also mentioned she would like a fan because it gets very hot in the outback, so he has a red fan. He has 7 pre-sharpened Stettler pencils along with a red and blue inked pen and colored pencils. There is a little koala sticky note in here, as well as a little notepad that has a koala on it. He has another sack with a musical instrument, his large Westcott scissors, and a pair of white underwear. He has a bright orange bouncy ball, a blue toothbrush, and because of the platypus, I wanted to add in a Platypus book. So this is another thing that I ordered off of Amazon. I love the pictures in this. It even has that orange to represent the outback. But it's just the story of a platypus. And talks about how they live, how the eggs hatch. And I included some sketch paper in here because at the bottom he has a how to draw. So there's quite a few pages there. He has a thermal blanket. Now here is his shirt. Karina mentioned neutral colored clothes. So this is a size 14-16. I bought this online from Old Navy for $3.99, and I thought this really went with the Outback theme. And again, with his tank, if he is on the younger side, he could wear this with his tank underneath, and I think it goes nice with his bucket hat too. And here is his I Draw book. He can draw all of these Outback animals, and like I said, I gave him some extra sketch paper too for this. He has a blue comb. And then I put these 3 cedarwood balls in. This is just something that helps to keep things fresh in a box. He has his folder. Inside I printed from Pinterest a picture of an Australian flag, kookaburra, And then I gave him 2 pictures of an Australian sheepdog. He has an Australian maze. And there's the cute platypus. And then a how to draw a koala bear. This is from lovetodrawthings.com. I love their how to draws. And then of course they show them that they can color it in. So I hope he enjoys that. And then at the very bottom he has a 40-page notebook in that blue color. And that is my Australian Outback shoebox for a boy 10 to 14. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. This is my second to last unboxing for 2021. So I really do appreciate you guys watching. You will never know how much it means to me to have you guys comment and like my videos and talk to me and just watch them. Again, I hope that any Australians watching approve of this shoebox, and I'm so glad that things are going better for you guys now, and I hope it continues to get better. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.